This is why we don't use microbeads in our skincare products. Hi, I'm Aaliyah and I own clean beauty brand Bellavana Beauty. So what are microbeads? Microbeads are tiny spherical pieces of plastic manufacturers use for exfoliation and body scrubs, toothpaste, body wash, makeup, and other personal care products. They're typically made from polyethylene or other petrochemical plastics that are less than 1 millimeter. There's also another term frequently used called microplastics. So what are microplastics and how are they different from microbeads? Microplastics are fragments of any type of plastic less than 5 millimeters in length that cause pollution by entering the natural ecosystems from a variety of sources. So what's the big deal about them and why should we care? Microbeads aren't able to be filtered out by the treatment plants due to their small size, so they end up in our waterways. This means that they become a part of the ecosystem, which means animals can ingest them and cause them harm. It's become so bad that we're even finding these plastic particles in animals when they die, and even in the processed foods that we end up eating. Microbeads and microplastics don't break down in the environment, and they contain a range of contaminants and toxic chemicals that can cause harm by leaking into the ecosystem. So what's being done about this problem? In 2015, the US passed the Microbead-Free Waters Act. This prohibits the manufacturing, packaging, and distribution of rinse-off cosmetics containing plastic microbeads. This is a step in the right direction, but microplastics and microbeads are still a huge problem because of the general use of plastic, which we'll get into in another video. So what can you do as a consumer? You can avoid the use of this plastic by opting for brands that have a strong policy against microbead and microplastic use, and by advocating for these systemic changes in the industry.